Happy Thursday, everyone!
So you may have noticed that I am wearing an awesome shirt right now. Kristen, for our 1 month anniversary, which was 3 days ago, got me a bunch of really awesome shirts that look something like this. So now that I have that out of the way, I'm going to fix my hair just a little bit. And now I'm going to go ahead and talk about something that I hope a lot of us have thought about. It's something I think about quite often, just in case that the opportunity arose where I needed to do a little problem solving in a very tight situation. And that would be my zombie survival plan, and who I would need to come along with me to see my plan through. So, here it goes. If you've ever watched Red vs. Blue, my zombie plan is a lot like theirs. It's pretty much get out of Vancouver as soon as possible to someplace very fortified and very cold, because zombies have a body temperature of 0, which means that in freezing temperatures they will freeze like big zombie popsicles. And if they freeze, they will be much easier to deal with because you can just go around with a baseball bat or a sword or a knife or something and just go ahead and cut off their heads instead of having to waste precious ammo from your guns. If I can't get to any place cold, I will definitely go to someplace very fortified, a log cabin or something, just anything that I know will keep me safe along with anyone else I choose to bring with me safe. That brings me to my next point. In the process of escaping Vancouver to wherever it is I choose to go that will be best suited to our needs, I will need to bring some people along with me, and each person will serve a very specific purpose. Because during a zombie apocalypse, it is not easy to come across people who can actually help you. And I believe I have gotten down to a science, the exact people you need when trying to survive a zombie apocalypse. The first person you need is a driver, someone who knows how to drive fast and furious. Every zombie team needs someone who knows how to fire a gun. And granted, all of your group should know how to fire a gun of some kind or another, or just be able to defend themselves. But you need that one person who's just a little bit of a hothead and who will kill anything in your path. Next, you need some brains. If you're in a tough situation and you need to get out of it soon, someone with brains can develop a strategy and get you out of there, okay? They are crucial to your survival, just like every other part of your team, but this person especially because they can see into the future just a little ways, not actually like future, but just like, okay, if this happens, then this will happen. If that happens, then we'll have to do this, and they can devise a plan for your survival. Get someone with brains. Next, you'll need someone with some survival skills, and that means creating makeshift shelters, finding food, finding gas, finding medicine, which is really important, because those are also essential to your survival. If you don't eat, you die. If you do not get water, you die. If you don't get medication, you probably die. And if you don't get gasoline, your car is stuck there and you will not be going anywhere and probably be eaten by zombies. That kind of brings us to our next point. You need a doctor. You need someone who has medical expertise to keep your sorry butt alive. Find someone with medical expertise and you will be fine. Most likely, I hope. And lastly, but probably most importantly, although it may not seem like it, you need a leader. You need someone who can tell the group what to do when so that they know what their job is, where their place is, and how to best be a part of your team. Without a leader, a group will fail. This is a life lesson, not just for zombie apocalypses, but in all areas of life, you need a leader. Whether that's yourself, or one of the other people who's going to serve another purpose in your zombie apocalypse team, that's fine. But you need someone who can think for everybody. So there you are, guys. Those are my tips for creating a team for a zombie apocalypse. I hope they are helpful. I hope we never have to implement them. But if we do, you know a guy with a plan. In the meantime, gentlemen, stay fluffy.